Canada Child Benefit has been putting more money in the pockets of hard-working Canadian families since 2016. To support families through the COVID-19 pandemic, an extra one-time payment of $300 per child was provided in May. And starting July 2020, the CCB will be increased again to keep up with the cost of living. This change gives parents even more money each month to help pay for things like healthy food, clothes, and activities they can do together at home. And it's tax-free. So when your family files their tax return, there's nothing to pay back. It's that simple. For more information, visit canada.ca/Canada Child Benefit.